With this Goan Curry Kit, I'm going to show you how to make a spice paste that's full of vibrant whole spices. All you need to do is grab some fresh ingredients and then we can cook it together. Mix bag 1 with lemon juice and rub over the fish, meat or vegetables and leave to marinate for 30 minutes. Remove the chilies from bag 2 and soak them in 250 ml of hot water for 15 minutes until they soften. Keep the chili water for later. Meanwhile, empty bag 3 into a bowl and add 150 ml of hot water and mash with a fork to produce the tamarind water, then set to one side. Grind the remaining spices from bag 2 into a powder and put the rehydrated chilies, coconut, chopped onion, garlic, 2 tablespoons of chili water, ground spices and salt into a blender and sieve in the tamarind water. Blitz to make a smooth paste. Heat the oil in a shallow, wide-based pan and add the sliced onion and fry to soften. Add the spice paste and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Add a splash of water if it sticks. Whiz the tomatoes up in a blender and once the spice paste is aromatic, add the blended tomato and fresh chilies. Cook for a further 5 to 10 minutes. Add enough water or coconut milk if you prefer to create a lovely sauce. Bring to the boil and cook for a few more minutes. Reduce the heat and gently place the marinated ingredients into the pan and cook until tender. Check the seasoning and adjust if required, then sprinkle with fresh coriander and serve with some plain rice.